shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrinking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can obviously see, I have a new wig. That's kind of exciting. New hair, new vlog, or whatever. I got this synthetic wig from Amazon. If you girlies want to buy her, she is definitely on my Amazon storefront, and she is also listed in a link in the description box below, so please be sure to check her out. So this vlog is actually a different vlog. As we all already know, it is currently spooky season, Halloween season, so in this vlog specifically, I definitely want to start decorating with my Halloween decorations. I also thought it would be cute if I carved pumpkins with a friend, maybe even had like some cute desserts on the side. Because it's fall, I've really been thinking of making some candied apples or maybe like some caramel apples. And I know I saw this picture on Pinterest that was actually different. They had like apples that were sliced up and on a kebab stick. So I think that I'm gonna try that method in this video. Yeah, so anyways, like I was saying, I have a ton of cute little exciting things in this vlog. I have pumpkin carving, making candied or caramel apples. I would love to show you guys my crystal collection. Let me stop talking and let's get into this fun little holiday vlog. The house is completely normal, but on the other hand, great news is I got the Longhorn fixed. My uncle fixed it for me and he just dropped that off, so that's exciting. Gonna set up the Halloween decorations and then do some pumpkin carving today. Also going to set up the dining table for spooky season, put together the little floral arrangement. Also got these two bottles. I've never tried them before. First, we have 19 Crimes Cali Gold Snoop Dogg Sparkling Wine. And this is the Ruta 22 Malbec Red Wine. I'm excited to try these. Never had them before, but
as I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of the nights living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of the nights living in the gangster's paradise.
baby, I like it. it to look so delicious. It came out just as I intended. Cheese, bacon, mushrooms, and sausage. Hey guys, so now we're gonna carve pumpkins. I have this freaking big one. We got them at Whole Foods. I'll show on the screen what he wants to do, and then I want to try to do like a little Frankenstein pumpkin. I don't know if it's gonna come out right because last year when I did my pumpkin, I was trying to do like the cute little heart eye emoji pumpkin, and she did not come out right. She did not survive the carving. So this time, hopefully, Frankenstein will survive the carving. He's a little bit more challenging. I forgot why my pumpkin didn't survive last year. I think I just like cut things too thin and it just like collapsed all together like between the eyes. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're about to do, the pumpkin carving.
Almost stopped your heart. You try to scream, but Jared, take the sound before you make it. And you start to freeze, and so it looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is
I'm about to use this scooper to scrape everything out, and then I have this cute little clear container to collect the pumpkin seeds. I'm going to bake them, have them for like a little snack. This is the top of my pumpkin. It has a whole bunch of guts and fruits.
you hit the door slam. I realize there's nowhere left to run. You feel the cold. I wonder if you ever see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. Girl, but all the while, you're a creature creeping up behind. You're out of sight. I could feel this feeling. There ain't no second chance against the thing with the 40 eyes, girl.
Here we have Frankenstein, a spooky pumpkin, and a paw print for the dog. So this is the pumpkin seeds. I'm about to clean them and then put them on a baking sheet and sprinkle salt and pepper on them. Another thing that I want to show everyone is actually my rock and crystal collection. I don't remember how many rocks I have. I think I have about like 30 to 40, but anyways, let me not focus the camera on me and let me turn it around and show you guys my beautiful little crystal.
You're fighting for your life inside of Canada. Like we just caught in the dead
Candy apple kit that I got from HEB, and then I also got these caramel bites to make caramel apples. I got this from Walmart. I don't think I'm going to be using this today. I think I'm only just going to be doing the candied apples. It says you just need to mix what's inside the package with a cup of water, 2.5 cups of sugar. You dip the apple and then you store the apples in a cool place. Sounds pretty easy, so let's go ahead and get to it.
Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And whosoever shall be found without the soul for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell.
I don't know if I did right. This is my first time trying to do it, and it's not like really sticky. So the candy apples were a fail here. Such a fail that they ruined my pot, so I'm just gonna throw this away and make something else. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of the video. I don't really have much else to tell the girls. That is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my little holiday vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.